Hi friends, welcome to my channel Speak English, Talk English. உங்களுக்கு இந்த சேனல் பிடித்திருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. Today's video we can see the basic grammar mistakes you are making unknowingly. வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போகலாம். This option is preferable than any other. Than is the grammar mistake. This option is preferable to any other. There is no place in the hall. We should not write place. We can write there is no room or space in the hall. He made an excuse to be late. To be late is the grammar mistake. He made an excuse for being late. Don't go in the sun. This is wrong. We have to say don't go out in the sun. Tell me, why did you do that? This is the grammar mistake. We have to write tell me why you did that. I will go out after the dinner. We should not write the. I will go out after dinner. He went to abroad for higher studies. To abroad, we should not write. He went abroad for higher studies. You like ice cream, isn't it? We should not write isn't it. You like ice cream, don't you? Who cooked this salad? This is the grammar mistake. Who made the salad? Is new lens are big. Lens. So we should not write are. Is new lens is big. I have a good news for you. We should not write a. I have good news for you. We will live in a couple days. This is the wrong way. We will live in a couple of days. Do you have the internet access? We should not write the. Do you have internet access? Is new jeans is black. Is this wrong? Is new jeans are black. I need a couple of more cups of coffee. We should not use of. I need a couple more cups of coffee. I love internet. This is wrong. I love the internet. Okay, thank you friends.